skies, chocolate brown, your demise. Water, water, what a fear. What about teaching them to? That's just plain understatement. Is it too cruel for you? That's just exaggeration, where the poet doesn't rhyme and the poem doesn't either. Whoa. Living in the heat again, no hot sun bubbling, I can't find a better day. No, no, no.
Where have I gone?
Where would I have gone?
Pangs of anxiety, oh, this is what coffee does to me.
Jack.
Again, so I said, Skapa-doo-ba-dip-da-de-doo-da-de-doo-da-de-doo-da-de-de-de. Skapa-doo-ba-dip-da-de-doo-da-de-doo-da-de-de-de. Dark egg blue, blue skies, chocolate brown, no
Straight away I saw my special
water,
spoon.
water, fear. What about teaching them to? That's just
Okay, to the table, please.
understatement.
I want milk.
Is it too cruel
Yes,
for
milk
you?
too.
That's just exaggeration, where the poet doesn't rhyme and the
start eating,
poet
guys, please.
doesn't eat.
Dad can get me some cereal. Watch me take it when I'm
So you're going to have Cheerios at nursery?
Wow.
Just a little bit because you've got breakfast in a minute. To say good morning now.
Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Nobody. And how do you do? How do you do? Pardon? I can't hear you. Speak up.
You looking forward to school today?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to both spoons. Okay.
Guys, I'm going to go and get you some clothes.
Okay. It's fun having bananas for breakfast, Mommy Rabbit. It's fun having bananas, Mommy Monkey. Let's eat our bananas. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Give me a kiss. Jackie, come back. Because we're going in a minute.
I thought Daddy was taking me as well.
Just done the school drop-off. Whoops. So nice. Freaking love dropping Jack to school every day. Well, not every day. Sam takes him on a Monday and a Thursday. But yeah, I feel very fortunate to be able to take him to school and be part of his daily life and stuff like that, like the really simple, everyday, mundane, some might say boring stuff. Okay, so Jack's at school, Sunny's at nursery, and now I'm home, and this is when I kind of try and power through as much work as I can do. I leave all the chores and all the mess in the house until when Sunny's back from nursery and when Jack's back from school, and we kind of do it together. I just thought that whilst I'm here and I've got my coffee, I'll do a little bit of a life update because I feel there's so much going on, and actually this would be for my benefit as well as for anyone that's interested, because I just feel like I have a lot to brain dump right now. First of all, we're moving house, so that's really exciting, but it means that we've just got loads to do when it comes to packing. So we've got a little bit of overlap between when we have to be out of this place and into our new place. So we are supposed to be slowly packing and moving everything over. I've got some moving boxes from a lady last week, But as you can probably see, we are not getting very far. We're planning to do it all ourselves. We're going to get a removals company to help with the big furniture, to get a big van. But the rest we'll just do. But yeah, so that needs to happen. The other thing that's going on is that we are going traveling. We are off to Australia and Bali. I'm going to talk about that in a minute because I've had a few questions around how that came about. So we're moving house, we're going traveling. Obviously I'm pregnant. It's my sister's wedding this weekend, which is lovely and really exciting. And then I've just got loads of work. All really lovely things, just lots ticking over in my head. Fortunately, I'm starting to feel a bit better. Still feeling weird, but not so sick, so that's good, I guess. Talking of work, now I need to do a little bit of research into gardening and specifically veg growing. You'll see why soon, but that's what I'm going to do now. Then I've got a few calls. I always try and have meetings via phone or Skype as opposed to in person as much as possible, just because the amount of time and energy it takes for me to get somewhere, to meet someone, it just takes a lot basically, and so I'd rather do stuff by phone as much as possible. And then yeah, I collect Sunny at 1. And then this afternoon we were gonna go wild garlic picking with my friend. I'm not sure if that's still happening. I need to check in with her. And Sam has a guitar lesson tonight. I think that's about it. Another kind of feeble attempt to pack. I am at my desk now. I'm gonna do some work and I'm gonna do a little bit of research for our trip. Just to give you a little bit of background on the trip, we were not specifically looking to go traveling at all. It wasn't on the agenda. In fact, flying at all is really like not on my radar right now, especially not long haul. But basically, we are signed up to something called Jack's Flight Club. Jack's Flight Club is basically a website that you enter your email address and then you get alerted to flight deals, basically, for flights all around the world. So one day, an email landed in our inbox with a flight to Australia at a very, very economical price. Australia's super cheap, shall we do it? He wrote back in August. We were like, right, we've just got to do this and make this happen. Go and see our family, because we've got a lot of family out in Australia in Perth. It's like a once in a lifetime trip. I've mentioned Jack's Flight Club before. Loads of people have messaged asking about it. If you're taking flights, you are probably interested in getting them at an affordable price. There's also just so much price scamming around flights. So I just like this website for being able to kind of overturn that. So this is literally where you enter your email, and then you get 1 to 2 emails a week with flight options around the world at these kind of cheap prices. Hello, Emma speaking. Okay, it's 1 o'clock and I'm on my way to collect Sunny. Fortunately, and this is literally one of the best things in my life, we live 20 seconds walk from his nursery, so I'm on my way there now to pick up my babe. Sunny, you went to nursery in your pyjamas. You know what we really need to do?
What?
Cut your hair. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean no.
You help Mummy with some things?
What?
I'll show you. Okay, so take your brush, scrape all the Weetabix off. Give you a squirt of this. Ready?
Okay.
Now fill it up with water. I dilute my washing up liquid.
Enough.
Now use your brush.
Okay.
And scrub, scrub, scrub. San, remember to turn the tap off when you're not using it. Good boy. You're doing such a good job.
So pour it now. Okay.
While Sunny's doing that, I'm going to have some lunch. I had to go get petrol last night late and I saw this and it's naughty and I knew that I'd have a really busy day today. It actually went out of date yesterday. It was supposed to be eaten last night, but I'm fine with that. So I just added some avocado, which also looks like it needs eating. But yeah, I'm gonna get this down me. So it's a bit random, but I've got a job I've been meaning to do for ages. I wanted to wait till Sunny was home because I thought that he might like it. But that is basically the very glamorous job of unblocking our sink. We've got an hour until we have to go and collect Jack from school. So this is the kind of time I let him watch some TV. And today I'm going to attempt to do some hair cutting. It's my sister's wedding this weekend, as I think I said, and there's been a subtle request to cut some of his hair, so I'm going to try and do that whilst he watches some TV.
To go ice skating.
Okay, we've got about half an hour, 45 minutes until we need to leave to go and collect Jack from school. And I'm knackered. I think every so often I'm just like, whoa, okay, I'm pregnant, I'm tired, I need to slow down. Just on our way to collect Jack, who's probably going to be tired. He's always tired at the end of the day, and we don't have any snacks because, well, I've got a bit of a thing about the whole snack thing. Like, the kids come out of school and are like, snack, snack, snack. And I just feel like he can wait until we get home. But yeah, we'll see how that goes down. Son, say hi.
Hi. But he's still in the lead.
Got him back.
Yeah. This is hard work. Should I? Yeah.
Good job, son. Be careful not to touch the pan. Watch your hand. Wow. Let's get our spatula.
Spatula.
I didn't know what I was waiting for.
Start washing yourself.
Screaming just to hear a voice.
One.
One, two, I'm freezing. You're shine
With the pieces of our broken
You
body.
shine at everything you try. So,
Alright, guys.
Can't play with the pieces of
This
our
is so bad.
broken body.
Thank you, Jack.
two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One name's Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul.
What do you want to say, Sunny?
Good morning. No, all of it.
Up to bed, please.
I've never met him before. I was kneeling just to hear his voice.
Mummy, what did this say?
Analog.
Oh, analog
So he
clock.
found out beside me and suddenly
I didn't know that word, so I thought it said unusual.
Good night.
can play with the pieces of our broken body.
Please get into bed soon because it's really late, okay? So it's about 7:30, the kids are upstairs, they're not asleep but they are happy reading and chilling and just hanging out, and then when they're tired they just get themselves into bed basically, and I'll go up and check on them in a little bit, or they'll come down and I'll know that they're awake. I've got about half an hour before my 8 p.m. switch off, which is when I switch my phone off and just properly relax and get out of all work and emails and social media and all of that stuff. Dinner-wise, for me and Sam, I think we're just going to have super simple spaghetti, pesto, broccoli and any other veggies I can find in the fridge. So I'll have a shower and just generally unwind.
Can play with the pieces of a broken body.
So this is what I'm currently using as stretch mark cream, just pure shea butter. And yeah, I love it. It smells amazing and it feels so nice to apply. Ha, that's better. I had a really nice shower and it's also gone all quiet up there, so that's good. If you're wondering if Sonny wears a nappy at night, he does, but what we do is take him to the toilet before we go to bed, like 10, 11ish, and then we put a nappy on him. Just went upstairs to take Sonny to the toilet before putting his nappy on. And look what I found when I got up there. Alright, time for me to sign off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Haven't done a day in the life like this for ages, and I always love doing them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!